Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to easily change text capitalization in Google Sheets using the proper function. This is very useful if you have names, titles, or addresses that need to be formatted in a standard style. Accordingly, our proper formula, which we are going to enter now, allows us to transform the source text into text that will contain a capital letter and all other lowercase letters for each new word. Accordingly, we must specify a cell reference, and it will format our values for us. If we drag this formula down, we can see how it works when we have two words and even how it works with emails, with some other names, and so on. Also, additionally, if you don't want to stretch the formula every time, it is very convenient to use this formula with ARRAYFORMULA. ARRAYFORMULA helps us to extend the formula's actions to an entire column. Accordingly, we enter ARRAYFORMULA. Set the range of the entire column, close the bracket, and thus we get our formula that will apply to the entire column and the entire range. This formula is very convenient for formatting your data, capitalizing it in such a way as to bring it to one form, to one rule, and accordingly improve the perception of the text itself. That's all for today. Give it a like if you enjoyed the video. If you still have any questions, ask them in the comments.